Hi everybody, welcome to Central Library Children's Library Storytime. I'm Anna and today we are going to read Just One of Those Days by Jill Murphy. And this brilliant book is about a family who are having one of those days. It had been a long night. So Mr. and Mrs. Bear woke up late. They left Baby Bear dreaming of dinosaurs while they got ready for work. Then they woke Baby Bear and got him ready for nursery, which took even longer than usual. Outside it was raining. Mr. Bear got the bus and Mrs. Bear took Baby Bear to nursery on her way to work. Nursery had already started by the time they got there. In the cloakroom, Baby Bear wouldn't take his coat off. "I want to go home," he said in a very small voice. Mrs. Bear took Baby Bear to join the class. His teacher was reading them a story. "There you are," she said. "In you come." After the story, Baby Bear saw that someone else was playing with his best dinosaur. "Mine!" he yelled. No, said his teacher. "Come and play with Diplodocus instead. He's just as nice." Baby Bear tried hard to like Diplodocus, but his mouth didn't open and he didn't have purple blotches, so it was difficult. At work, Mrs. Bear sat on her glasses and Mr. Bear spilt coffee all over an important pile of papers. At nursery, when it was lunchtime, someone else got the red cup. The water didn't taste as nice in the green one. At work, Mr. Bear didn't have time for lunch. He was too busy reprinting the messed up papers and Mrs. Bear fell asleep halfway through her blueberry muffin. At nursery, after lunch, they did painting, which was nice, but someone else had used all the purple paint. Then they did cooking, which got a bit messy. Then they did dancing, which got a bit tricky. "I want you all to dance like trees in the wind," said the teacher. By the end of the day, Baby Bear could hardly keep his eyes open. He was so glad to see his mum waiting for him. It was still raining as they trudged home together. "Daddy's bringing in a pizza," said Mrs. Bear, "so we don't have to cook." When they got home, Mrs. Bear and Baby Bear got into their comfy pyjamas. "Daddy's home!" yelled Baby Bear. Mr. Bear came in with a big pizza box and a carrier bag. "Look in the bag," he said. "It's something for you." Baby Bear dived into the bag and brought out T-Rex. "He's exactly the same as the one you always play with at nursery," said Mr. Bear proudly. "I saw him in a shop window and I thought you might like to have one of your very own." Baby Bear tested the jaw to make sure it moved. Then he hugged Mr. Bear very tightly. Then he took off the labels. Then he and T-Rex roared and chased Mum and Dad into the kitchen. "Better get the pizza onto the plates," said Mrs. Bear, "before someone goes into orbit." "How was work?" asked Mr. Bear as they made their way to the sofa with their pizza. "Not brilliant," said Mrs. Bear. "How about you?" "Not brilliant," said Mr. Bear. "I think it was just one of those days." Never mind, said Mrs. Bear. We can have a better one tomorrow. Why don't we all go to bed early? Good idea, said Mr. Bear. I'll do the bedtime story. And he did. Thanks very much for listening, everyone. Bye.